Are you wondering why YouTube is different from other social media platforms? Yes, the YouTube platform is so different from other platforms. And in this video, I'm getting into it. I'm sharing why YouTube is different from other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Welcome back to KPhil, my photography and video channel. Here, I share my journey on discovering and mastering the art of photography and video creation. My goal is to inspire and support all fellow photographers and content creators. It's not what it was, but what it is right now. Let's get into it. Okay, I'll start with why I think YouTube is such a cool platform. Unlike Instagram, TikTok, YouTube allows you to create long-form content that you post on the platform, content for a long run. This means you can create a series on a single topic, multiple videos on a single topic, teach your audience, educate them. You can do tutorials, you can do podcasting, you can do documentaries and short films. The list is really endless. And because of the platform and its search engine, you are able to optimize your videos. And after a month and a few years of posting your videos, even after 10-15 years, people can still find your videos through searches and still consume the content. And this is very different from all the other social media platforms. Now, let's talk about the similarities. Just like TikTok or Instagram or even Facebook, on YouTube, you can also grow your audience, have a community, have loyal followers. Now, if you're in the niche that provides a service like I'm doing photography and video, some of this loyal audience or this loyal followers or these people that are subscribed to you can eventually become your clients. And so that really is a win-win. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, on YouTube, the challenge of growing an audience is very big. It's a huge a challenge. You are only able to create a following if you are consistent on the platform, meaning if you're creating videos always, and if you are creative, of course, and so on. Don't think about creating boring videos and you think people will follow you or will subscribe to your channel. No, it won't work. It's not like that. Yes, you need consistency. You need to be creative. You need to create videos full of value in order for people to watch those videos, in order for people to subscribe to your channel, in order for people to like your videos. By the way, tap on that like button if you're liking what I'm sharing in this video so far. And so once you have a very big following, like you have a big number of subscribers, then you can turn this platform into a business. Then you can definitely earn from it. Starting a YouTube channel is a great move if you want to grow your audience and you want this to continue in the long run. But you only want to do this if you're passionate. Only do this if in your bones you feel like you can do YouTube, because I guarantee that when the going gets tough and if you don't have what it takes, you will quit, because there is a lot that comes with being a YouTuber and what you have to do and how you have to tune your life to creating content. creating videos that are valuable for people to watch and enjoy. So that's it for me in this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already subscribed, you know what is surprising to me is almost 75% of the people on this channel that watch these videos that I'm posting aren't even subscribed, you know. So if you're one of those, please tap that subscribe button, tap that like button to help this video get pushed to other new audience. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I see you in my next video.